Hi. Okay, so I am cleaning up right now and something just popped in my head, or I don't know, something just clicked. I was like, I'm gonna share this with you guys. So basically, I've been trying to think of ways where I can be less wasteful, and I can't recycle this because it's not just paper, it's like waxy paper, right? So I was like, what can I do with this? I was like, oh, it's really strong, plastic bag. And then I was thinking, oh my gosh, you know what I can do to reuse this thing? I can, like, when I clean my cat's litter box, I can use this to clean it. Because, like, I normally use the plastic bags from, when you go to the grocery store, and if I forget my reusable bags. But I'm going to keep using those if I have them. But this, too, it's so sturdy. And then it has, like, a little, it's ready. It's like a ready little scoop. Oh, yeah, sorry, I'm just also, yeah, I'm also just cleaning up other things. But, yeah, but it's like a ready little scoop, and you just put your trash in here. So I'm looking forward to that. I was like, you know, I'm going to share that with someone. So, hey guys, thinking of what you can do to reuse these kind of bags instead of just throwing them away, you can use to scoop out your cat's litter box or just other kind of trash. Because, yeah, these things are so sturdy. Especially if you cut them right across and it just becomes like this little bag. Or, oh my gosh, you know what else you can use these bags for because they're so sturdy? It's like a little, instead of like you know, those like brown paper bags for your lunch, you can use these for your lunch too. I don't know, I'm just so excited because I was like, man, I can't even recycle you. But now I'm like, I may not be able to recycle you, but I can reuse you, you know? Because normally I try to buy the bags of like really bigger food and then I put them in this thing from my kitty cat meow, you know? But today I was like, oh, I just need to hurry up and get him some food. So I did. Sorry, it's so dirty, it's cleanup day. But yeah, so I got him some food and I did. And it came in a smaller bag that's not like paper bag, you know, it's just a plastic bag. I'm sorry, don't judge me. But yeah, anyway, so cool. Yeah, so all the wonderful things you can do with these type of bags. So many things. I'm sure I'll think of more stuff, but you know, I'm sure you guys will too.